In woodworking, it's often necessary to make many trial cuts to get a piece to fit. This is especially important if you've got 3 pieces of trim already on and you're adding that 4th. Removing just a little bit more material can be troublesome. Let me give you some great tips to show you how to do that. Now, I've cut multiple pieces for a project using this stop block. I find out that when I go to place this piece, it's just a hair too long. Rather than try and move this stop block to take off just a little bit more material, let me show you a quick tip on how to do that. Here's a plain business card. By using this business card as a stop, we've now moved that board just a bit. That business card did just a great job of taking a little bit of material off, and this was just a very small amount. But if you want something even smaller, try something like a Post-it note. These self-adhesive notes are very, very thin, in fact 2/1000ths of an inch thick. So if you want to remove just a little bit of material, this may even be a better bet. And here's another great tip. At the bottom of this stop block, we've added a small little chamfer, and that keeps the sawdust from backing up against that stop. If we didn't do that, the sawdust that built up on the bottom of that stop would keep our piece of wood from butting up against it. Now, this is a piece of walnut I'm going to cut for a project. I'm going to saw with the bandsaw just to the waist side of the line that I've made on there. I'm going to take this to the drum sander now, and I'm going to sand up to that line. That sanding will also help remove some of the kerf marks that were left by the bandsaw blade.